Okay, we're rafted up. Jeff Jones and I heading back from South Bass to Catawba, sailing wing and wing, doing 3.6, I see, 4.0. We're both as relaxed as we would be almost at home, sitting in a chair. Got about, yeah. We're looking at about 1 to 2 foot waves. Yep. And yeah, this is plenty. This is, what do you think, Jeff? We got enough horsepower? I think this is perfect. Nice jibe.
I think we're rolling just fine.
What?
We're rolling just fine.
Yeah. Yeah, we're rolling along just fine. All right, you ready to...
Got the twin master going.
Yeah, you ready to break away?
Yeah.
All right, let's let go. Nice, there we go. Okay, why don't you pull up in front of me, if you can, and get in the video. Good. Formation. Okay, now we're doing some formation sailing. I'm blocking Jeff's wind, so he has to paddle a little bit. I'm not paddling. If I give a couple paddle strokes, I'll just surge up. Nice. This is good. Boy, once you pick up speed, the apparent wind goes down quite a bit.
Oh, yeah.
This is perfect. This is a real wind in a...
Oh, yeah, this is definitely something to work with. There's some cats out there.
Oh, yeah. You know what, it could step up. As a matter of fact, I don't see why we wouldn't have bigger waves when we get there.
I think we'll see bigger waves when days over.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to see a lot of boat waves, actually.
Yeah. And no capsizes. All right, see you on the water. Scott's not going to be happy when he sees this video. What?
He's not going to be happy about missing this day.
Sorry, Scott. We invited you. And you had to go to Raceway Park or whatever. No.
What's he doing?
He's doing some racing. Stops watching or whatever, going to I don't know, some motorsport event.